this session, we are going to discuss about the characteristics of a good test. But before going to discuss the characteristics of a good test, let us have a glance on test. That means, what are the images formed in the mind when the term test comes in front of you or anybody else? If the term test come in front of you, that might be an image formed in your mind that, oh, it's a test, so many things to read, or oh my god, it's an examination, I have to read throughout the night with the help of a cup of tea or coffee, and I have to write the examination day after tomorrow. Or, oh, there are so many probable questions. Which one is important? Which one is not important? It's very difficult to decide. It's very confusing. Or, you wish that everything should come to your mind at least for one day from your book. Or, yes, I have to fight a war. That means you may develop a situation in your mind, oh, it's like a war like situation, that you are going to face a war. So all that image may form in your mind, but test is a simple thing, that is any standardized procedure for measurement. Test is any standardized procedure for measurement, or you can say it's an instrument or tool or technique intended for measurement or evaluation. Informally you can say examination, but test and examination both are different thing. Tests are of different types: standardized test, non-standardized test, teacher-made test, formative test, summative test, intelligence test, attitude test, aptitude test, personality test, IQ test. So many tests are there, and on the basis of this test we are measuring something, whether it is attitude, whether it is aptitude, whether it is intelligence quotient. We are measuring something, that's why it's a test. So this is all about test. Let us move towards the characteristics of a good test. And as I have told that there are four characteristics. One is reliability, second one is validity, objectivity and usability. So today we are discussing about reliability. And reliability is nothing but consistency, or the same result will come in different time interval. So then we can say it's reliable. So for instance, one of your friend asks you, how old are you? As you can see in this image, one friend asking another, how old are you? And she's responding, I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. And if you ask the same question in different time interval and you are getting the same response, then you can say your friend is reliable. And now coming to the characteristics of a good test, and that are reliability, validity, objectivity and usability. Further, reliability is of two types. One is absolute reliability, second one is relative reliability. So there are two types of reliability. One is absolute reliability, and absolute reliability stated in terms of standard error of measurement. And the second one is relative reliability, and the relative reliability stated in terms of reliability coefficient. So when you are talking about standard error of measurement, the standard error of measurement is just a function of both standard deviation of observed score and the reliability of the total test. So for instance, you are giving a test to 15 students and you got certain scores, and from that test you got some standard deviation, some value, standard deviation value, and the reliability of the total test. If you compare the standard deviation of the observed score and the reliability of the test, then you can find the standard error of measurement. And when the test is perfectly reliable, the standard error of measurement is equal to 0. Or in other words, you can say reliability increases, standard error of measurement decreases. Or standard error of measurement increases, reliability decreases. I am repeating, if the reliability increases, then the standard error of measurement decreases, and if the reliability decreases, the standard error of measurement increases. You can see in this graph. And the second one is reliability coefficient. The reliability coefficient is a measure of the accuracy of a test or measuring instrument obtaining by measuring the same individual twice and computing the correlation of the two sets of measures. So for instance, you give one test to a group of individuals, and after few days or after the interval of 15 days you are given the same test to the same group of individual and correlate the two scores, then you can find the reliability coefficient. And reliability coefficient can be expressed in terms of Kronschwach's alpha, and you can see the value. If the value less than 0.65, then the reliability value is 4, and if it is in between 0.67 to 0.80, it is considered to be fair, and when it is 0.81 to 0.90, it's good, and when it is 0.91 to 94, it's very good, and when it is greater than 0.94, then the reliability coefficient is excellent. So this is all about standard error of measurement and reliability coefficient. So now moving towards the next slide, you can see the reliability can be estimated, or the reliability coefficient can be estimated by the help of different methods, and these methods are test-retest method, parallel form method, internal consistency method. Further, internal consistency method is divided in two halves. One is split half method, second one is rational equivalence method. So this is all about the method of estimating reliability coefficient. In the next discussion, we will discuss what exactly the test-retest method, what exactly the parallel form method, what exactly the internal consistency method, and what is split half and what is rational equivalence method. So till then, take care, have a good day.